drive, Charlie?
Yeah.
Should be a fun little day, a little cruise out.
Yeah, finally this thing's going, so
Yeah, it's gonna be
happy.
fun. I'll hop in.
That's really good. God, that's a nice F15. God, this is cool.
What are in that car, Charlie? Good looking engine, eh? Big turbo, eh? What haven't you seen before?
Oh yeah,
S15 front.
S13 with an S15 front.
What do you reckon of that, Charlie?
No, that's pretty sick.
That's awesome, eh? What do you reckon of that smell?
It's a real smell.
That's a real smell of tyre smoke.
It's different from looking in Forza and then you just get like, oh yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't know what it smells like, but that's what it looks like.
Yeah, and it makes your chest rumble, eh? But then that yellow Skyline, it's loud, eh?
Yeah. X Mark II. Been looking for someone to take this up to me because I've got too many Chizuru cars. I've already got two and I only need two because yeah, in one car it's packaged, so why not? If you wanted it.
Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah. Where do you want to put it? Hang it somewhere.
Yeah, that'll look
We'll
good.
figure it out. Thanks, man. Thank you. Feel privileged.
Looks good, doesn't it? Charlie, what do you think of drifting now?
I love it. Heaps more.
Heaps more now?
Yeah.
You reckon in a few years, if you get a car going, you'll come out here in a few years?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. No, he's got no tyres left. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Charlie and the Drift Factory up at Raleigh Raceway. Next week, we're back pulling apart the R33 Skylines and hopefully selling some more parts to save up for Charlie's future car by the time he's 16. So please like and subscribe and follow along the journey. See you next week.